What do we have? Oh crap, I don't remember what it is. 2016 Yukon. I don't know why I forgot. It is the happy anniversary of Ceramic Pro Gold on it. Looks great, doesn't it? All I did was I removed, I didn't remove anything off of it. It was actually pretty easy to clean. No, removed a little bit of tar.
Moved a little bit of tar.
The ceramic coating did its job and tar came off pretty easy. But after I did all that, did a little decon, inspected it, coating worked. I mean, it's in great shape. Then, put a new layer of light on. Didn't have to do any machine polishing. Everything was fine with the clear coat. No swirling. No swirling. Yep, so put a new layer of light on and out the door she goes. Ooh. Oh, man. It's beautiful.
This chair. I need to find a new chair.
Makes a lot of noise.